Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today we're making some super cute and simple butterfly and dragonfly earrings. You can find the templates for these earrings and many more in my Earrings to Make and Sell ebook that I'm going to link up below in the description. And without further ado, let's get wired. I'm using 22 gauge artistic wire and 4mm miracle beads. My tools are the Beadalon Slimline Series chain nose and round nose pliers, their Glimmer Series nipper tool, their nylon jaw pliers, and their bail making pliers. I'm starting with about 5 inches of 22 gauge artistic wire. I will bend it in half, pushing the ends together, pulling them apart, and squeezing to form the body. I'll stack up 2 of these together to form the wings. This way they'll be the same size. You can also trace the template if you prefer. We'll do our bends for the lower wings, holding the wires together, do another bend, and at that point we can separate them. Do any little adjustments. You might have to adjust the body a bit to make it longer and thinner, and form the wings. Bring the wire around. We are bending the wires to opposite sides so the design remains flat. Almost looks like a Celtic style dragonfly. Curve the wings with your thumb. On the other side as well, curve the wires out. And using your round nose pliers, we can fix the curve and bend it at the tip of the wing. Curve the wire around and up, remembering to go opposite sides as you go. Bring the other wire around for the other wing, holding it and curving it up. So we have both wires going straight up. You can squeeze the body again if it needs adjusting. Put a 4mm miracle bead on both wires. Clip them to about 1/4 inch. Spread them and take the round nose pliers and curve the wire down on either side. Hold the wire and curve it down. So we have 2 loops at the top. Press them with the pliers. For the earring hooks, you can make your own. You're going to take 2 pieces of 1 3/4 inches of German style wire. If your ears are sensitive, you can buy gold-filled wire. I like to use 21 gauge half hard gold-filled wire for my earring hooks. Form them with the looping pliers, clip the ends, and round the ends with the wire rounder burr cup tool. Open up the hook and put on your dragonfly. Close it up, and there are your super cute dragonfly earrings. For the butterflies, you can use about 5 to 6 inches of 22 gauge artistic wire. Depends on how big you want to make the earrings. We're bent it in half, holding both wires together, and we're going to form the top wings. Holding the wires, curve the wire around, and bend it so we have the top 2 wings that are started. They'll be the same size. Separate the wires and continue to form the wings, pushing with your finger to curve it out. Now hold the wire with the tip of your round nose pliers and bend it down to form a little loop that is between the top and bottom wing. Do the same on the other side. Curve the top wing around, hold the wire and bend the wire around to make that little loop between the wings. Holding the loop, bringing the wires down, and get your bail making pliers to form those bottom wings. They're just simple curved bottom wings. This is a nice stylized design. Bringing the wires to the same side, straight up, and you want to hold the 2 wires with your chain nose pliers hold them together. Take one of the wires, separate them, holding it firmly and bringing that wire around to hold them together, and this will also prevent the bead from sliding down. Once it's completely surrounded, we're going to bring the wires straight up, clip them, pinch so it won't go out of place. Add your 4mm miracle bead, spread the wires, and form the little loops with the round nose pliers. Do the other side, bring it around into a closed loop, press them flat, adjust them as you need. Get your nylon jaw pliers to press the whole butterfly so it's nice and flat. Add your hooks, and there are your beautiful butterfly earrings and the butterflies with the dragonflies. Be sure to check out my earrings to make and sell ebook. You can use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% when you purchase 5 or more templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my Etsy DIY shop. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. Join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share pictures of your wire art and wire jewelry. Hop over to the Wire Lady TV channel every Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where I troubleshoot new ideas for wire art and jewelry, and I welcome your ideas and special requests. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.